In a traditional kindergarten classroom, students are placed into classes based on their academic screenings, which is a quick snapshot of their present level in the spring. Switch and Learn aims to look at the whole child, their academics, social, emotional, motor skills, and overall readiness for kindergarten. Our goal is to ensure that your child is school ready, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged in their kindergarten learning experience. During the first 3 days of Switch and Learn, we will observe students that are mixed with their classmates and participating in various activities to equate them to school and their peers. These 3 days of school will be meaningful, fun, and social. Your child will have the opportunity to meet and play with all incoming kindergartners, along with the kindergarten teachers and the Woodland staff. The result of Switch and Learn will be well-balanced classes with optimal success for the remainder of the school year, while keeping the focus of the whole child in mind. Our unwavering goal is to ensure that your child has a positive first experience at school. We are a family at Woodland, and we strive to do what is best for all students. We are excited for your child to join our school family. Have a great summer. We look forward to seeing you in the fall.